Well, thanks for joining me for another Excel tip. Here's what I want to show you today. I have a large table of data here, and you could see, gosh, I don't know, it's hundreds of lines here. And it's sales data. I have order numbers, country, name of the salesperson, order date, and order amount. Well, this is just a lot of data right here, and it may not be helpful in its current format, or current order I should say, to help me answer the questions I'm looking for. So one of the things I can offer you today is how to use this sort and filter button right here. So let's focus on the sort side. Stop. Restart. Okay, thanks for joining me again today for another Excel tip. Today I want to show you how to use the sort, specifically the custom sort commands, to deal with a usually large table of data. This table here looks like sales data, and I've got hundreds, 700-800 lines of data here, and it's sales data. We got the order ID number, salesman, and the date and how much they ordered. So while all the raw data is here, it might not be in a format, or I should say in an order that would really help me. Maybe I have a question. This isn't really going to help me as it's currently ordered. So that's where the sort command comes in. So let's just say, for instance, a quick thing I can see, I've got these order IDs. I don't know that they don't really look like they're in order. So how about I want to do this? Let's just say I want to know, just put my orders just in the order of the order ID. So I highlight everything. Notice what I did there. I just clicked in this upper left, come over here to sort, custom sort, and then what it's showing me here is this is the first one. This is blank. Column, sort on, and order. Okay, so if I do click my drop down menu here, see what I have here? I have all my column headers. Okay, so I want to sort by order ID, and then notice how this changed really quick: smallest to largest, or largest to smallest. Well, I want to go smallest to largest, and I hit OK. Now look what happens here. Notice my salesperson column is all mixed up now, but these are all in order: 326, 27, 28, 29. You can see 79, 80, 81, 82. So I just sorted it by order ID, and as I scroll down, you'll see that all the way through it's sorted by order. Okay, so let's try that again, and I want to point something out this time. It automatically found my column headers here, but notice right up here my data has headers. If I click on that, then it's just showing column A, column B. Okay, so usually if you, or I should say always, if you have column headers, you don't want those to move around. So just click this box, my data has column headers. Okay, so now what I want to do, let's just say, okay, I'm not so concerned about the order ID. I want to know, how about this? I want to know what were my biggest orders ever. So now I go order amount, and then I click over here, largest to smallest. There you go. See, notice now order ID doesn't make any difference. None of this stuff makes any difference. Here are my largest orders. So if I want to look at, here's my orders over $10,000. Maybe that was your question. Hey, what orders have I had over $10,000? Sort by order amount, and then there you go. There's my data. Okay. Well, let's do one more tool, and you can do a lot with this, but I just want to show you a few basics here. Let's just say we want to do a little bit fancier sort. Back to custom sort. Now, let's just say I want to sort by salesperson and put them in alphabetical order. Okay, now I could do that really quick. Buchanan, Callahan, you could see Davalio, Dodsworth. It's in alphabetical order. Okay, but now what I want to do is I want to sort, custom sort, and then add a level to it. So first I'm going to sort by salesperson. Then I'm going to sort by order ID so I can see the sequence in which those orders were placed. So now I have Buchanan, but if you look at my Buchanan section right here, within that block of data, that's all Buchanan, my order IDs are going from smallest to largest: 463, 74, 77. See how that works? 954, 11043, and then same thing happens when I come down to my next salesperson, Callahan. So Buchanan, Callahan, that's in alphabetical order, but then within Callahan, 262, 268, 276. You see how that works? So I can do the same thing, custom sort, and this is a multi-level sort, they call this. So maybe I want to sort by salesperson, then not order ID, but now I want order amount, largest to smallest. So now I can see all of my salespersons sorted in order, and whatever the first line is, Buchanan, that's his or her biggest order, 9210. But if I go down to Callahan, 4825, that's Callahan's biggest order. So it's a multi-level sort, Devalio, 15810. And you can see that the data is sorted, the second level of it is sorted by order amount. So that's a multi-level sort. And you'll find this handy anytime you have a big table of data. Sorting, custom sorting, multi-level sorting is all going to come in very handy. Hey friends, thanks for checking out this Excel tip. If you're interested in integrating your Excel skills with real-life business skills, check out some of the links below. I teach a number of low-cost, very informative courses on udemy.com that cover business accounting, business finance, manufacturing, and different topics like that that all utilize Excel. I'll tell you what, Excel in combination with other skills like data analysis, cost analysis, finance, it's a very powerful combination that many employers are looking for. So if you're looking to expand your business and manufacturing skills, check out the links below. Thanks.